friends, welcome to my channel. For those who are new on this channel, we want to encourage you to please like, subscribe, share, put on the notification bell so that once we upload a new video, you will be the first to know. For returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support and how you have been sharing our videos and interacting with us. We really do appreciate that. Alright, in the last lesson or the last video, I introduced finger addition and subtraction. Simple addition and subtraction using our fingers. Alright. However, today we are going to take it a step further. We're going to take it a step further. Today we would want to delve into some slightly more complex forms of addition and subtraction. But before we do that, we are going to introduce something. It is called the concept of complements. Today I'm going to talk about complements. The concept of complements. Now, if I ask you what's the meaning of the word complement, maybe the first thing that will get into your mind is that of greeting or that of, exchanging pleasantries between friends or acquaintances. You are right, but English language, in English language, one word can have several meanings. So we're going to talk about complements as it relates to math, as it relates to mathematics. Okay, so what is the complement of a number? The complement of a number refers to two numbers that make up or that come together to make up the initial number. Take for instance, if I say, what is the complement of the number 6? Any two numbers that can add up to give you 6, these are the complements. So for number 6, we have 3 and 3, we have 4 and 2, we have 5 and 1. You can also include 6 and 0. So these are complements. Okay. Now in Abacus mental math, there are two special numbers that we are going to be using all through these journeys. They are the number 5 and the number 10. These two special numbers, we are going to work with them. In everything you are going to do in Abacus mental math, it revolves around these two numbers. The number 5 and the number 10. Alright, so let's bring in complements as it relates to these two numbers. So if I ask, what are the complements of 5? What are the complements of the number 5? Alright, I can see you're getting them right already. You have 4 and 1, 2 and 3. You can equally swap the positions of the number, whether it's 1 and 4, 3 and 2. Whichever way they come is still referring to one and the same thing. Okay. And then the complements of 10. Complements of 10, you have 9, 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 5 and 5. You have 1 and 9, you have 2 and 8, 3 and 7, you have 4 and 6, 5 and 5. These are the complements of 10. Okay. Now for some of us who are very, very adventurous kinds of students, I'm sure with what you learned in the last video, you will have tried out certain, maybe some other kinds of addition or subtraction and you got stuck along the way. Did you do that? I'm sure some of you did. Alright. Take for instance, if you want to add numbers like this, say 1, and I say plus 4. You notice that we only have 3 fingers and this represents the unit, and here this is our 5. So for you to add 4 to 1, it means you may have to develop an extra finger. That means you will now be an abnormal human being. Okay, I'm sure somebody may have tried something like 2 plus 3 and then you found it difficult. You got stuck along the way. Alright, do not despair. That is why we need the concept of complements. Complement comes to make it able or make it easier for us to add these numbers. They are the bridge we use to cross whenever we have such difficulties in adding or in subtracting. Alright, so the plus, in this video, we're going to talk about plus 5 complements. We're going to start from there. We're going to talk about the plus 5 complements, but we'll just pick a few of them. So take for instance, there's what we call the plus 5 complements. Plus 5 complements are the complements you use when you want to add complements of 5. Say 4, you want to add 4, you are stuck. Plus 3, you want to add 3 when you are stuck. You want to add 2 or you want to add 1. You use your plus 5 complements. On the other hand, there is what we call the minus 5 complements. These ones are used when you want to subtract numbers 4, 3, 2 or 1, which are complements of 5, and then you get stuck along the way. So in this video, we're going to start with the plus 5 complements. We're going to start with the plus 5 complements. Now, it's important to note that these complements, they are like formulas, which you need to memorize. You need to memorize them, and then whenever you have difficulty in performing any kind of addition, you use them to cross. You use them, to solve that problem, and then you move ahead in the sum that you are doing. All right, let's do something like this. So the first complement we're going to look at today is plus 4. Now, take it, plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1. Take it again. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1. So let's do a sum in which we are going to use the plus 4 complement. Let's start with this. 3 plus 1, you add 1. Now plus 4, you notice you cannot add 4. So you ask yourself the question, what is plus 4? And you answer. While answering, you do it also. Plus 4 is plus 5, you add your 5, minus 1, you take away 1. That means we are left with the number 8. So you see how to cross that bridge. Let's do it again. 3 plus 1 plus 4. You can't go, you get stuck. What is plus 4? Plus 5 minus 1. Then the last one, minus 3, that is, the answer is 5. You got it right. Okay, let's take another one. We have 4 plus 4. We are stuck. What is plus 4? Plus 5 minus 1. We have 8. Minus 2 minus 6. That is 0. Alright. Let's take another one. We have 9 minus 5. You take away your 5. Plus 4. It can't go. Plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1. Then minus 1, we have 7. Alright. So you see that with the use of the plus 4 complement, we are able to solve, problems. Whenever we get stuck, you want to add the number 4. Okay, let's do some sums let's try a couple of sums involving tens and units. Let's do this one. 22, 2 here and 2 there. 2 in your tens, 2 in your units. Plus 4. That means you are going to add 4 to your unit side or your unit end. And it cannot go. Plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1. We have used the complement. The next one is plus 2. You add 1 and 2. Still under your unit. Then minus 8. You remove 8. That is, you got it right, 22 and 0. You You see how simple it is? Okay, let's try another one. Let's look at 14, 1 and 4. Are we together? Plus 24, you add 2 to your tens. You're going to add 4 to your unit, but you are stuck. We are stuck here now. So let's do, what is plus 4? Plus 5 minus 1. The next one is plus 41. You're going to add 4 to your tens. You notice you cannot do it, it's stuck. So we do use your complement in your tens, plus 5 minus 1. Please don't fall for the trap of calling it plus 50 minus 10. Still refer to it as if it's your unit. Then you add 1 to your unit. Then the last step, we have minus 16. Minus 16 means you are going to take away 1 from your tens and 6 from your unit. So let's do it. Minus 1 from your tens, minus 6 from your unit. That is, you got it right. The answer is 63. Beautiful. Okay, let's do one more and then I'll give you some to do, which I'll require that you give me the answers in the comment section. Let's do 14, 1 and 4. Plus 4, that means you're going to add 4 to your unit and it cannot go. So what is plus 4? Plus 5 minus 1. Minus 6, you take away 6 from your unit. Remember, you take away your 5 and then you handle 5 first and then 1 from the other side. Then plus 44. That means you're going to add 4 to your tens and 4 to your unit. And remember, it cannot go. We are stuck here. So we're going to make use of our complement. Plus 44, in your tens, that is plus 5 minus 1. In your unit, that is plus 5 minus 1. That is, the answer is 56. Give yourselves a round of applause. Wow, that was great. So I'm going to leave you with these sums. I want you to do this one. I'm going to give you 3 of them and then you give me the answers in the comment section. Number 1 is this. 29 plus 40 minus 5 plus 4. Give me the answer down there. Now the next one is 33 plus 41 plus 4 minus 61. Alright, then the last one, 12 plus 14 minus 16 plus 4. Alright, so I'll see you in the comment section and let's get to know who got it right and who didn't. So that will be all for today. In the next video, we are going to move into another complement. We're going to talk about the plus 3 complement. See ya. Bye.